So what is decentralization and how do blockchains utilize it? Well, by definition, decentralization is the transfer of control of an activity or organization to several local offices or authorities rather than one single one. So let's just think about that in terms of data, right? So Facebook is a company that has tons of data. I mean, you may have seen a data warehouse somewhere. Well, all that data is kept in one location by one company, not to be publicly viewed and to be used however the company sees fit. Well, with blockchain technology, it harnesses something called nodes. Well, what are nodes? Think of node as the data center. And what the node is compromised of is GPUs that Bitcoin miners use. And so what these nodes do is they actively write the information, the data, the transactions, the information that is on blockchain. They actively write it publicly for everyone to view in real time. And so by having the accessibility for you to be a Bitcoin miner, for me to be a miner, for you to be a node holder, for them to be a node holder, it decentralizes the data and the data centers and how this information is stored on blockchain publicly for everyone to view. And if a hacker wanted to hack into a blockchain and change the information that has been recorded on this ledger, they would have to break into every single node and they would have to rewrite all the information in real time. And there could be a node in your backyard, there could be a node in another continent, there could be three nodes at someone's house. And the odds of that happening are virtually impossible.